Everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. We are beginning day 2 out here in Lee's Summit. This is our 21 pier project. We have 6 King Pier 1s, 15 King Pier 2s. So we are basically just starting on this back corner, and we'll just keep working our way back around to the front of the house and to the side here until we get them all. You can see we're at the footing on our first King Pier 1 hole. So now we are going to go 49 inches past that and then tunnel about 2.5 feet inward horizontally. Right here we are getting very close. You can see a lot of the existing cracking going on the house here, so a lot of digging that's going to be going on this project. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook pages, King Piers LLC. Don't forget, you can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.